Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audiocast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide, Anindya Bannerjee. Dollar index continues to power ahead. Our dollar is at a 16-month high against the euro. क्योंकि कल US President reappointed Jerome Powell for his second term as the US Fed chief. इसका मतलब है कि the hawkish policy is going to continue, that is the taper and then interest rate hikes by next year itself. तो इसके कारण there is a lot of monetary policy divergence which is setting up around the world. For example, Euro May we have already seen ECB is dovish, Fed is hawkish. Now we should also focus on China. Chinese central bank is talking about easing monetary policy. Fed is talking about hiking rates. So ये जो monetary policy divergence है वो काफी खतरनाक force होता है in the currency market. It can drive big trends. Dollar's CNH has been one of the most stable currencies. So CNH has not participated in this dollar rally. So if dollar CNH begins to move higher because of this monetary policy divergence between America and China, तो it can push even the dollar rupee higher too. Because अगर हम लोग डॉलर का movement को analyze करें, it is very strong against the developed market currencies like the European currencies, Australian dollar, etc. It is starting to become strong against emerging market currencies like Brazilian real, especially the commodity block, South African rand, even the South Korean won, which is not part of the commodity block. It is starting to show weakness against the dollar. But Indian rupee and Chinese yuan, ये दो currencies are reluctant to participate. But agar Chinese currency begins to weaken in the coming weeks and months, then it can have a very negative impact on the Indian rupee. That's something to watch out for. Or interestingly, dollar rupee showing amazing stability in face of a strong dollar globally and rising US rates. And third, weak equity markets over here. Now, ये जो stability है, it is not something we should continue to bet on because it has been in the nature of the dollar rupee that ये stable रहता है और अचानक जाके it plays a catch up. इसके लिए my preference will be to buy dollar rupee right now than to sell dollar rupee here because the risks for an upside move is increasing by the day. तो 74, 30, 40 के आसपास on the November futures is a buying zone with a stop below 74, 25 on a daily closing basis. 74.60 or 74.75. These are the two major resistance zone on the November futures. As of now, I would look for a move to happen. So इसके लिए I'll stay away from say selling options for today and focus more on buying or going long through futures. International currency में EURINR continues to be in a downtrend and sell-on rise remains the bias. आज Eurozone से a lot of important economic data is going to roll out, especially the flash PMIs, जो ये दर्शाएगा कि how is the manufacturing sector and services sector coping with this fresh surge in cases in Europe. GBP-INR is going to be far more volatile, but it's more in a range now. But GBP-INR will continue to outperform Euro-INR. Or JPY-INR will remain in a very slow downtrend. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Bannerjee signing off. A fantastic day ahead.